Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Iti and we are going to do this look today. Very glossy, very diva like look, and I hardly used any brush and very simple to do. Anybody can. Alright, so this is a very simple look. I won't be needing any brush for this eye makeup since this eyeshadow comes with a wand. This is a liquid Mega Last Catsuit eyeshadow by Wet n Wild. Comes at a very nominal price and easy to work with. Glitter देख के सबको लगता है पता नहीं कितना काम करना पड़ता है for this look, but that is not the case. So I'm applying it on the eyelid, the mobile eyelid of my eye, right before my crease eye stop. This is NYX roll-on silver, glitter. Look at that. I'm just going to roll that glitter over the liquid eyeshadow. This is a small trick that models or photographers use to show that glitter or eyeshadow more in the photographs, and it actually shows more color if you apply dry glitter on your liquid eyeshadow. So these are the two layers, your liquid eyeshadow or your eyeshadow is not going to move. This is Inglot Felt Tip Eyeliner. It is in brown color. The best part about this brown color eyeliner is, one, it is not going to give me a very heavy look, made up look. Two, if I make any mistake, it is not going to show. Three, brown eyeliners or any brown eyeshadow, golden or copper colors, these colors, they'll complement Indian skin tone, brown eyes, black eyes so much. I can't tell you. They look beautiful on Indian skin tone. Look at that. It is very simple. I'm not even scared to, that I'm going to make any mistake because it is not going to show. So don't, just follow your natural lash line. Just like that. And have fun with it. Don't aim for perfection. I'm telling you, makeup is all about having fun, expressing yourself. And perfection is boring. To me. To each their own, but I think having fun with makeup is more important than makeup being perfect. Alright, so keep tweaking it wherever you feel the need to. Look at that. Hardly took any time or tools. Keep filling your lash line. Since I'm not going to wear any falsies, this is good enough for me. I somehow am not putting on much effort on makeup. I like it like this. Look at that. I'm just filling wherever the gaps I see or space I've left. So this is a Maybelline copper brown pencil. I'm going to line my lower lash line just to make my eyes look bigger and to give them a little definition. Wet n Wild mascara. I am coating every strand of the lash because it will save me from the trouble of wearing falsies. Look at that. I spend time, if I want, I let the first coat dry and come back and wear another coat if I want to. But that is all. And this, I like the wand. It just helps me get to every lash. single lash of my eye. Okay, so I'm just defining my lips with the same pencil I colored my lower lash line. It is different from the lip color I'm going to wear, but I'm just defining my lips so that I have a guideline. This is Stila. This is in color, the color is called Aria. And from the inner corner of the lip, I'm going to fill my lips nicely, because this is a long lasting lipstick, liquid lipstick, but once it dries off it becomes matte, so then it becomes difficult to work with it. And make sure when you wear these long lasting liquid lipsticks which turns matte, make sure that you scrub your lips properly and moisturize your lips. Otherwise when the lipstick dries off and after some time, lips looks very dry or chapped or cracked. Look at that, just it's not much work. There you go, my Jacky and Lauren highlighter palette. You can use any highlighter palette, whichever you like, and place them on the bony area of your face. With this makeup, I suggest that you have a glowing skin, because it gives that Jennifer Lopez kind of a look. I love her makeup, but wearing that much makeup is not possible humanly if you don't have a makeup artist. Alright, so there you go, Jacky and Lauren. And if you want, you can buy any other highlighter palette. Try any other highlighter palette, MAC, L'Oreal, Maybelline. They all are coming up with such amazing palettes. So before buying, just try them on. See what kind of highlighter, tone of highlighter suits your skin type. Alright. Wearing my earrings. I bought them recently from Zara. If you want to check them out, buy them. They're from Zara. There you go. I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. I don't need to color them or fill them since they are very thick as it is. I stopped going to the parlor for eyebrows specifically. It was seriously getting on my nerves. So now I'm happy. They're natural. Alright, so this is Dolly Mix from MAC. I'm going to add a flush pink color to my cheeks since I'm wearing bright lips. When you're wearing bright lips, I suggest that you you wear blush properly, because it adds color to your face. Alright, so there you go. No tool, almost no tool, yeah, just one blush brush you need, and there you go. Done. Hope you enjoyed this look. If you try this look, wear it on Christmas or New Year's or during this month, do comment and like the video. Take care.